Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Hooks and Yarn and One Row Wonders. Now today's One Row Wonder, super fast, really quick crochet. If you want something done really quick, then try this one. Make sure you do your foundation chain nice and slack. So for this One Row Wonder, any number of stitches in your foundation chain, make it as big as you want for whatever project that you're going to do. Now if you can't do a slip knot, just put your hook down and tie a knot. Now you're going to do any number of chains, but make sure you do your foundation chain nice and slack. Don't do it too tight. So pull up a little bit with each stitch. So pull up your stitch a little bit, pull it up a little bit. You don't want that foundation chain to be too tight, or your work will pull in at the bottom. Just pull up, or you can use a one size bigger hook, but it's easier just to pull your stitch up. Just pull your stitch up a tiny little bit. So we're going to build the foundation row first. We're going to do a base row first. So into the third stitch in your chain, that is not a stitch, it's a loop. So count 1, 2 and 3. You're going to do a double crochet into each stitch. One into the next stitch, one into the next stitch, and one into the next stitch. So when you're at the end, do your last double crochet into your last stitch. You're going to chain 2, 1, 2 and turn. Now into this first stitch, you do yarn over and pull through, yarn over, through your 2 loops and through your 2 loops. So that chain of 2 counts as a stitch. So into the next stitch we're going to do 2 double crochets together. Yarn over your hook and into the stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through your 2 loops. Now keep that on the hook, yarn over into the same stitch, so you have 3 loops on your hook. So yarn over and pull through those 3 loops. Go to the next stitch and put your 2 double crochets together in the next stitch. So in there, pull through, yarn over through 2 loops, keep it on the hook, yarn over into the same stitch, pull through, yarn over and through 2 loops. You've got 3 loops on your hook, the 2 stitches plus the loop that you always have. Yarn over and through the 3 loops. 2 double crochets together into each stitch along. So I'm at the end of the line and I've got 1 stitch left. Chain 2, 1, 2 and turn. This is the row you'll keep repeating. This 2 together double crochets in the same stitch. So we've got our chain of 2 here. Now into the very first stitch here beside it, right here, you're going to put 1 more. Move to your next stitch and put your 2 double crochets together into the next stitch, and then the same into the next stitch, and that's what gives it that beautiful thick texture. Even though you're putting 2 into the 1 stitch, when you bring them together you're only creating 1 stitch for the next row, and it keeps it all balanced out. And what you'll get is, you'll keep repeating that row, and what you'll get is this. Now, even though you're putting 2 into the 1 stitch, when you pull the 3 stitches together, you're only creating 1 stitch for your next row, and it gives you this beautiful textured yarn. Please give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Please, if you can, take just a few minutes to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost any money to subscribe to the channel. It helps your channel to grow and gives you moral support. So thank you for watching Hooks and Yarn and One Row Wonders. Give this one a try. You're really going to like it.